Nandito tayo sa Great Wall of China, guys. Good morning. Ayan. Akitin natin. Yun. Akitin natin yun. Makikita nyo ganyan yung view natin sa baba. Ayun, no. Hindi naman masyadong feel yung pagod. Kasi mga malamig naman dito. Kaya okay lang. Pero, ayan.
I got about halfway up, like the next, not even halfway up. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you
Be careful lang.
Probably a quarter. The steps are uneven height,
That's
which
the
puts
thing.
you off.
It does, yeah.
I could manage the shallower ones, but the steeper ones, the long, higher ones are killer for me.
Nakikita niyo ba yung baba? Ayan. Ang ganda, di ba?